Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. So here we are going to learn that how to make questions on Google Form. So at first, we'll go for the um, Google Chrome, and then after we'll open our profile page, Google profile page. So this is something called as a um, Google Chrome Google Chrome page. So here we need to go to our profile page. So if we click here, then we'll find out the Google Drive. Once we click the Google Drive, we find out it asks us for the sign in. Then we need to write or we need to type our signing page. That's something called as yes, this is my mail ID. Then we need to go for the uh, your password, so which will be given with so after feeding the password, then we'll go for the next. It's a two means it makes us or it asks us for the another verification. So it is once you get into your own profile page. Okay, so finally we are here, the Google Drive page. So you can easily find out in your this particular profile where account, search, play, business, maps, YouTube, Meet, contact, and Google Drive, Gmail, calendar, and other things also. Google Photos, shopping, news, charts, and other things also you will find out. And this one is called as a Google Drive, where you will find out uh, and all kind of details that you can store. You can store also any of the photos in Google Photos. And you also, if you want, you can also keep your records in Google YouTube, whether it's a video or audio. And you can also keep your video and audio in Google Drive. So we have already opened the Google Drive page here. So this one, which is asking us for the, which is written as a new. So whatever you want to do, right, or whatever you want to uh, open, that may be called as a, you can click here, you can find out if you want to create new folder, or if you want to upload your file, if you want to upload your folder, or if you want to create a new Google Doc uh, documents, or Google Sheet, Excel sheet, or Google Slides. It can be also called as a PowerPoint presentation, or this one is the last, which is pointed about Google Forms. So I hope you understand. So we begin, open the Google page, navigate to your profile and access Google Drive, enter your Google ID and password to sign in. Once on the Google Drive homepage, then you would find out what uh, the plus new sign. So click on the plus sign, choose, then after when you click it, so you will find out a new folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, and Google Forms, isn't it? So in this Google Form, once you click it, there will be the arrow which will lead you to option like blank form, um, or you can talk about a blank quiz or form or template, isn't it? So if you want to explore various forms like contact information, assessment, sign-ups, RSVPs, party invites, or event registration, um, so in that case, you can click here, form templates. So once you click here, you would find out assessment, contact information, t-shirt sign up, RSVP, party invite, contact information, find a time, RSVP. So all such kind of things are present. So, or else you can also do another thing. You can go to the uh, Google Drive, where you also uh, click on the plus new sign, then you can go for the blank form also directly, right? Mm. So once you find out a blank form, so this one where you can make the changes, like if you want to go for the any kind of a title, um, so you can click onto it and you can give the title like quiz formation, right? So assessment, or you can write, you simply uh, write here assessment, and then after, yeah. So, or anything, you can also write the contact information or anything. So after that, if you want also, you can save it by giving the name or just clicking into it. Automatically, it will take you to the assessment, right? Then after the form description, whatever you want to write. So if you want to write that the page is made for the sake of uh, let's say that uh, employees assessment, employees assessment, uh, employees assessment. Then after, you can leave it, and thereafter the email part, which is given for the sake of means students or the employees, students or employees, so whoever means will get this link. So they will put on email ID of theirs, and then after they will attend any of the question which you have sent, or any of the means um, you can say that any assessment you want to take of theirs, so which will be written here. Let's say that if I want to put some questions like how satisfied you are on your uh, employees employee engagement uh, so how satisfied you are on your employee engagement, or called as a um, uh, you can also employee engagement. Then after, you can put means the options here. Like if you want, you can put two options. If you want, you can put also three options, or if you want, you can also four options. Like good. mm, You can also put a bad, or you can put. Um, you can also put. Uh, okay, good. Mm, okay, so if you want to make a four, then you just click onto this particular part. Mm, this particular part where it is written linear scale. So you can click onto it, and you can put it as a multiple choice checkbox drop down. So you can point out as a multiple choice, right? So once you put multiple choice, you will find out option one, uh, good, uh, bad, or you can point out average, or you put like extraordinary, ordinary, um, or you can also put like mm, words, right? So that's what you can point out through that also. If they whatever they find out, they click on the link here, right? So if you want, you can also give mm, you can also put here as a um, checkbox, right? So, or you can put whatever you want to do. If you want to also put any kind of a file, that may be picture or anything, so that also you can find, you can put it by clicking to this particular image. So where you can browse, and you can go to the photos or Google Drive or Google Images, or from your means from your desktop. So where you have kept any kind of a photo that you can select and simply get it from there, um, and use it. Okay, so this is the kind of a thing. So here I'm just putting it as a multiple choice. Then after I'll go for the, if I want to make more questions, so simply I click here and or simply I can click here and add questions, or simply I put here add questions. So like that we can means make numerous questions. And if I want to make more options, then I can also put here by simply putting the enter, right? uh, Enter of your keyboard. Here also you can type any of the questions that you want to put. This is what. And then after, if you want to make any kind of changes in the particular form, then you go to the settings, and here you would find out if you want to make a quiz, then simply click onto this, right? That which is written as a make this a quiz, this part, right? Make this a quiz. So if you you need to uh, make this particular icon into green call by simply clicking onto it. And if you don't want to make this a quiz, then simply make it off, right? So then after, if you want to collect their email ID, or if you want to make all the questions compulsory, so everything is point out here. So you simply click onto it and turn the icon into blue color, right? So if you want to give marks for each of the question that you have asked, you can put it 1, or you can make it as a 0, or you can mark it as a 3 or 4 or 5 points, right? So finally, you will also click onto this responses. So what is this response? So this response is nothing but collected and also protected. If you want to collect their email address, then you need to simply responder input that you can simply put it here. Or if you don't want to collect their email ID, then simply click on to do not collect, right? So, but if I want to put responders input, then I will get the email address of theirs. So send responders a copy of their response, which is means uh, generally off. If you want to give them their feedback, or if you want to make a quiz and want to get them a kind of a response, then simply make a kind of a response of always, right? So always will indicate it that what, so they will definitely get a response sheet after completion of their quiz, or called as after completion of their assessment. Then if you want to make them editing their any kind of assessment, so you can put it here. If you don't want to make them editing, so you simply make it off. It's you will be, you will be complete control onto it. That's why if you want them to do it again and again, so you can put it into 1, so limit to 1 response. Or if you click it off, then they can attend as many times as they want, right? So after that, the presentation is given, manage how the form and response are presented. So you can, if you want to see that how the employees have done their assessment, so you can point out here and click it into blue color. Or if you want to make each and every employee's question will be different, then you simply shuffle question order, right? So generally, if you once you shuffle the question order, so each employee will get different questions in a different numbers, isn't it? So after that, if you want to make any kind of a confirmation message after completion of their assessment, simply click onto it, and then whatever you want to write, you can write. You can write that your response has been recorded. Response has been recorded, or uh, thank you um, for your test. Thank you for your test. Right. That's what you can point out here. Uh, once it is completed, you can put it as save. Once you put it save, then it will be shown as a message to them. Right. Then show link to you, submit another response, which is generally put it in a blue color already. If you do not want them to do submit the another response, so click it off. So if you want to view result summary, like after completion of their assessment, if you want to see their result summary, so you simply click onto it. So or obviously after completion of their assessment, you can see the result summary by clicking into responses, which is given at the top where question, response, and setting is provided. So this is completely off because you find out that no responses has been recorded. So therefore, now we'll move to the next one. Disable autosave for all responses, which is commonly kept it on off. So forms defaults collect email addresses by default. Responders input verified, do not collect. So responders input questions, defaults make question required by default. So it means what? All the questions are mandatory to be, to be used or to be clicked, isn't it? If you make it off, then they can attend one question or they can attend all the question. It is up to them, right? So finally, after completion of their settings, then you can find out the questions are ready. Now, you want to send the link of these questions to anyone, then simply send, click on the send, click on the send link, which is given here. Okay. 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 So what you're supposed to do, you need to click on the send link, click on the send. In that you would find out a kind of a tab bar will come. So here you will find out a send via. So how do you want to send through email or through means a link or through embedded HTML. So generally we send the link by clicking onto the link, and there we find out a link is appeared in the below given link option. So this link is very long, so that's why if you want to make it short, then simply click on to shorten URL. So once it is clicked, you would find out that the form link is very short, will be appeared there. And then after you can copy it. Once it is copied, you will find out the copied to clipboard is written. Then if you want to send anyone, you can send it simply by means opening any of the, if you have the WhatsApp, or if you want to send it through any of the mail. So open the mail page, or you can open it through the WhatsApp. Let's say that if I want to send it through this, then here I can send it by simply clicking the paste option. So once you click it, and then after, the assessment is ready, and it is sent to the concerned person whom you want to send it. Okay, so this is what all about the Google Forms to be made. Google Form links can be formed. I hope you understood. Now, you can also directly get the means a blank form here only in the assessment contact information or party invite. So here also you can click any of the link and directly go to the settings, and you can change whatever you want to change, right? So that's what. And then after, you can send it to as number of employees that you want to send, or as number of students you want to send it, you can send it. You can also send it through Facebook and Twitter, which is given as in a symbol where it is written share form via Facebook or share form via Twitter. Hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.